Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arquen. This is another video on new topic on Python language. Okay, and today I will discuss turtle programming in Python language, where we create a visual graphics. Okay, in that case we need to import turtle module, and through that we can get the graphics output. So go to the computer screen. Through Python IDE, I will discuss graphical programming and graphics output step by step. So let's dive in. So friends, at first we should know what is turtle in Python, right? The turtle module in Python is inspired by the logo programming language, right? Developed in the late 1960s by Seymour Papert, okay, and his colleagues at MIT, okay. When Python was developed in the year 1991 by Guido van Rossum, the turtle module was included in its standard library. Means very beginning the turtle module is already within the Python library, right? The turtle module in Python is a built-in library that provides a simple way to create drawing and animations by simulating the behavior of a turtle that moves around on a graphical canvas, right? It's often used for educational purposes to teach programming concepts like loops, functions, and event handling through interactive graphics, right? First, we need to import the turtle module, then create a window, then we create a turtle object using the turtle class where T is capital, right? So go to the computer screen. Through Python IDE, I will write the code for creating visual graphics, right? So let's dive in. So friends, I am already within the Python IDE. So at first we draw a square, okay, using turtle module is concerned, okay. So at first we click on file and just click new file, okay, and just write here the code for drawing a square, okay. So at first we should import turtle, this module, and just write as T, okay, and then we just write p equal, because for drawing is concerned we need a pen or cursor. So for that case we take the variable p here, okay, and then we just write here t dot turtle, where we actually create the object of the turtle using the class turtle where T is capital, right? And then we use a loop, for loop, just write for I in range. For square is concerned, it has 4 arms, so it go up to 0 to 3, means 4 times it will rotate, okay. And then we just create it, or we draw the square, so just call p dot forward and send argument suppose 50, and also write p dot right, also send the argument 90 as its argument, and then at last we close it, just write t dot done, okay. Now we save the file, just go to file and save it, just put the name suppose t_1.py and press enter. Yes, the name is given t_1.py. Just run it using press F5. Just see the square is just shown here as a visual graphics is concerned. So through particular code is concerned, this code we can draw this type of square, right? So in that way we can easily draw lots of shapes, lots of graphics using turtle module, right? So now go for the next problem where we draw a star, right? Now we draw the star, okay? In that case, this part is okay, means we already create the object or instantiate the turtle class. Now the code will be changed after that. Okay, so now what happened, we again take a for loop for I in range, and now we send as argument here 5, suppose. Okay, and same way, suppose we call p dot forward and send argument suppose 50, and also call the another function which is write, p dot write, and send argument 144. Okay, and then we just close it, t dot done. Save it and just run this code, press F5. Just see, it will just draw the particular star is concerned. Means through this code we can draw the star. Okay, so this is another graphical way we can represent a star using this turtle module is concerned. Okay, now the last one where we use some background color and also this pen or this cursor color is different. How? Okay, so just go for the third example, right? So in that case, same way, we don't need to this one, we already import the turtle module and just put the name as T, because we don't use this turtle, this what we use instead of that only T. Okay, and then we just write another variable W equal and just write T dot screen. Okay, actually T dot screen, what it does actually, it creates a window. Okay, means it creates the window and through that we can get the graphical output, right? So that means it create at first the window, that means it's create at first the graphical window where we get the output here. Okay, and then again we just instantiate the same way the pen or the cursor variable, suppose P, and just write T dot turtle. This is instantiation of the turtle class or create the object, and then we put the color of this window, just write W dot bg color. This is the function name, and suppose we put the color is yellow. Okay, its background color is yellow, and then just write here suppose p dot forward. Same way, send the argument suppose 150. Next write p dot left, suppose the argument is 90. Same way again write p dot forward, suppose the argument is 75, and now just write p dot color. Now the pen color or cursor color we just want here suppose red, so just put the argument as red here as a string. Okay, and then we also put the size of the pen or cursor, just write p dot pen size, and suppose the size is 12. Okay, now save it, and now if we run this particular Python code where we are using the turtle module for some graphical output is concerned, so just press F5. So just see, the background is yellow and here some straight line and then it go to the left, and the pen color is red because we put here the pen color is red and background color is yellow, right? So in that way we can do lots of visual graphics using just import the turtle module. I hope you have understood how to use the turtle module in Python and how to get the graphical output using this turtle module. If you like this video, please like it. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Keep watching Technical Argument, because after that I will create more videos on turtle, and also you can write what type of video you want to see. So today up to this.